All right, guys, Jesse here, AI Music Money, and we may even change the name of that. Might start calling ourselves the AI Gorillas. Hopefully, y'all can see me. I got the camera on the laptop. You can see behind the screens. I'm just in a simple laptop. I might do a behind the scenes video, but I wanted to stop and give you an overview of the school community. Right, we got 7 members in here now, 6 members in here now, and really quick, when you come in, it's going to look just like this. You click on Start here. This is what I recommend, and boom, this is gonna be where your test software is at, and the introduction, the video explaining how to put the software on your computer, on your Chrome browser or your Brave browser. It works on both of those. I use Brave at home, and it is just an extension, but it's test software. It's beta. Use at your own risk. And then also right next to that, it's going to have Welcome to AI Music Empire. Read this once. Click See More. You're going to read this whole thing. It lays out the plan from A to Z. I know somebody was asking if it lays out A to Z. It does. There's only a few videos so far, and I'm working on it, and I'm open to suggestion, what you guys want to see. But I'll try to make this as simple as possible. And you go through the plan. Keyword research, niche selection. That's part one, right? Pick one niche to start. You don't got to overthink it. Just get started. You're going to think of more. It's going to come to you as you do this. Some examples would be blues, dark blues, Viking music, fantasy music, Russian rap, synthwave. Try to name your artist short and sweet. You watch me do it on YouTube, but I actually do kind of got it lined out in here. Russian rap's simple, right? I didn't expect it to do as well as it's already doing. I'm excited for that. Step two, use any LLM, right? ChatGPT is what I use, but you can use anything. Claude works. I use that as well, actually, for style, prompts, and sounds. You're going to set your mood and your genre, and you're going to set those sounds first, and you'll record those prompts and save them. And you're testing the styles. Then you'll set those styles to start generating your music, but you're just going to generate a few tracks to test them. And once you get it sounding okay, I want to repeat that same rhythm, that same beat, that same drums. Save those prompts over in a document if you want. Once you can hear something you can stand listening to 100 times, save it, right? That means it's good. Generate. Step four, go back to ChatGPT or any LLM and generate catchy titles and choruses. Keep them under 200 characters. Start pasting them in there, right? This is all in here, right? From A to Z. Scrolls down, boom, boom, boom. This is what you're doing. Just letting you know also. Disclaimer. Results are my personal experiences. I'm just showing you what I've done. I'm trying to organize in a fashion that you understand. And in the school community, you basically have access to me. That's what you're getting. And to the other members that are serious about this. Not all the people on YouTube that are spamming. People in here, I don't know them, but for the most part, they are trying to achieve the same goals. So I think there's room in just about every niche. I don't show my main niches because I don't want people to go in there and copy it or spam it, especially haters. We already got haters. You've already seen. But it posts you right to the videos that you need to go to. Has the links that you need, which is under every video as well. All the information in here is free on the YouTube. I'm just trying to organize it a little better in here for you. And that's right where you start. If you click on Classroom, that's where we're starting. We do have our first video is this niche research and vidIQ introduction, how to look for your keywords and find your niche. One, this is only in the school community. This video is exclusive content for school community members. But this is a second video, SEO naming and initial setup, which has basically the same information and more. This is the video we set up Russian raps, right? We set it up. And today we're going to start, right? So you can see how we set it up and do the whole everything, right? So I do have it formatted a little bit in here in the classroom. This is exclusive. The rest of these are on YouTube. I'm going to go live every weekend. And yeah, so this is just a quick overview of the school. I just wanted to show you guys. You can come in here and post whatever you want. We have the live sessions, frequently asked questions, and I did this keyword research live, by the way. And then been taking our questions, and this is going to be a live. This is going to be a living document where I'll be updating, right, the questions we have. I even had more come in afterwards, and I just added it to the list, right? Long list of questions with answers to make it even easier. But on top of that, in the school community, you can just DM me right here. I try to answer this every couple hours. I'm in there. I'm in there all day. I am on Alaska time. It is different than wherever you're at. And yeah, I think together we can all build out something good here. And I think we have a small amount of time to take advantage of this. and build intellectual property that may do something for us. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna close this out now. First video on the it's my first video on the laptop here, so peace.